Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host James, and today we got the $4.2 million Toronto Showhome. Look at this. We're slowly checking it out, like you're checking out a person. Look at the backyard. Look at that poor person on your left. That little house. It's just got these these white new homes right beside it. But hey, they got a new fence. At least half a fence there, so good for them. And what else we got? So this house, 4.2 million. We're looking at over 4,000 square feet. Very, very white. It's like I don't know, like an IKEA exploded in here. Like it's very, very white. I think there's gray, blue kitchen cabinet, but that's about all the color you're getting here. Very, very white. White Christmas will definitely be happening here. so so crazy. It's a little bit too white for me. But 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. There's an elevator. Look at all the space right in this kitchen. That's kind of nice. And apparently there's a garden outside. Very very cool. But I don't know. It's located at. Oh, look at that sink in the kitchen. Man, I wash my hair in there. Look at that. Got a pot filler there. That's nice. Little fireplace, big TV. Looks like there's outside you can see the garden. So that's kind of nice. Curved couch, so sorta, kinda. I don't know. What do you guys think so far? Like, do you agree it's a little too basic or something? I don't know. Here we go outside. There's that picture of the garden there. Your neighbors are super close, and they can spy on you. You can spy on them. So I don't know. I don't know. I think this would be a good meth house. You're very close. You're in Toronto, right? Makes sense. More than a family house. I would turn this into like some kind of drug empire. You're very close to where that all goes down, you know. So that's probably a good house for that kind of activity. Young and Eglinton area, I believe, for sure. You get 100 grand, so you can like re-outfit this whole place with 100 Gs. Definitely. There's your office with a brick view, inspiring brick view right there. And then looks like you have like upstairs laundry. Looks like a Lego set sized laundry up there. Kid's bedroom, a little more pizzazz, I guess, up here. You got bunk beds. We got looks like a little balcony there too for the kids. That's nice. They're going to do homework together there, and obviously no troubles are going to occur. And then you got a little sink. You got some tiles on the floor here in the bathroom. That's a nice bathroom. I like the ones, all that. Another bedroom here. Again, at least it has some color and a little bit more textures going on. You got your closets all hidden in there. Looks like a little makeup place in the corner near a window. So that brings good light right there. Okay, okay. Put on your white shirt and your white house and just enjoy it. I guess you can use 100,000 to kind of splash some paint in here. Like you certainly wouldn't want to come in here with spaghetti sauce or something, Like just be like a murder scene. But this is nice. You got a tub inside your shower. So you can shower or have a tub. This is upstairs with the skylights, and you can go outside, I guess, to a different deck. There it is. An outdoor deck. You can actually look at your neighbors through their skylights right from here. So you can spy on them very easily. Again, drug house, guys. That's about it. I don't know. I don't know if I live here. There's another laundry downstairs. You got a Q&A room, question your life choices. This is nice. You got a blue couch. You can kind of watch movies down here. It's cozy. They call this a bar these days. It's just like a fridge and a sink. And then you got nice TV, see? So you do, that's probably the best place in the house right down here. Do you agree? Anyways, that was a quick view. I want to thank Candice for letting me know about the virtual tour. I'll be doing that next. Thanks for watching.